My name is Kate Chernivsky. I am a production planner in the production control department. I have worked at Major Tool for about 4.5 years. I really like working in a manufacturing environment. It is pretty fun, it's pretty fast paced, which I like. It's something different every day, which for me makes my job really fun. There's a lot of day-to-day things that are the same, but there's a lot of things about it that can change from day to day. A big part of my job is to track parts from their conception to their shipment out the door to our customers. Before I started working at Major Tool, I decided to take some welding classes at the Ivy Tech Community College here in Indianapolis. I think that there's a really supportive staff here. They have supported me greatly in my position.